Aigency Valet review. Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we're dissecting Aigency Valet, an AI automation engine promising to revolutionize client acquisition. Could this be your unfair advantage in any market? Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Simply put, Aigency Valet is a done-for-you web app that aims to flood your inbox with high-quality clients. It automates the entire client getting process, from identifying businesses with critical problems to writing the perfect outreach email, all so you can land high-paying clients without manual research or awkward cold outreach. Let's see the demo of Aigency Valet and understand everything about it.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video for Aigency Valet. Aigency Valet is our new AI that finds, trains itself on, and closes $500 to $1,000 clients for you in any niche and or location, so you can make more profit while working less and dominate any local area, while our AI continuously provides you with all the buyer leads that you'd ever need on a silver platter. And in this demo video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And I'm talking about being able to find businesses that have real problems like this right here. So this particular business has a website that hasn't been updated with any content since 2017. It has an unclaimed Google listing, and it's running a WordPress version that's over 365 days old. So plenty of security issues there. Just like this local business as well that has a website that has connectivity issues. It has no social media profiles, and their WordPress is over 4,256 days old. All right, so they're running an extremely old WordPress version. And also this business here, this landscaping business, it also has some connectivity issues or loading issues. It has no social media profiles. It doesn't have the HTTPS as its default, so it does have a CSS certificate, but it is not defaulting to the secure version, which will show that that warning message when visitors try to go to the website. Just like this business here that has a old Shopify site that no longer loads. All right, they also have no social media profile, and down here they also have a WordPress that is really old, since 2013. So I'm talking about being able to find businesses like this that have real critical issues affecting their online presence that you can go ahead and fix in just a few minutes and get paid between $500 to $1,000 to fix these issues. So let me go ahead and go back to Aigency Valet and show you just how easy it is to come in here and run a new search. So all you have to do is hit this plus sign here, and you can go ahead and type anything you'd like in this box here. So that we'll do mechanic, and then let's say we'll do New Orleans, Louisiana, and you can literally type in any location you'd like worldwide in this box and search for leads in that area. We also have a standard and an in-depth search. Our in-depth mode is one of our upgrades, which allows you to go deeper into the search engines and find a lot more leads than the standard version. So I'm going to go ahead and start that search. It does take about 5 to 15 minutes for this process to complete. And the reason for that is because it's not only finding the leads, but it's training itself on those leads, and the AI is also identifying all of the issues, those critical issues that these businesses have. Okay, and you can see here just some of the searches that I've been able to run. You can literally use this for any niche that you like. So taekwondo school, plumbers, church, landscaping, roofer, junk removal, property management, mobile IV therapy, attorneys, barbershop, ice creams, smog testing, dentist, housekeeper, handyman, mobile pet groomer, pizza shop. So you can see, you can literally type in any niche that you want in that box, and also you can type in any location. You can see here all the different locations that I ran: Savannah, Myrtle Beach, Atlanta, Asheville, Houston, Miami, Toronto, Los Angeles, Mexico City, London. Okay, so you can literally go global with our app. And if I come in here to the property management here in Cleveland, you'll see all of the information that you get as well. You get the name of the business, the website, the email addresses, the physical address, the phone number, and then here the problems that they have. So if I open this option here and I go to the problems tab, you'll see here that this website was last updated in 2017. They don't have a claimed Google listing, and they're running a really old WordPress version. Okay, and if I open up this filter box, I can get very specific on the type of business or type of service that I want to offer to these businesses. So let's say that I want to just find businesses that have unclaimed Google listing. If I hit apply, you'll see all 3 of these businesses here have unclaimed Google listings. Okay, and if you open them up, you can see what other issues they have. So not only do they have an unclaimed Google listing, but they also have no social media profiles found. And here we have the option to go even deeper as well. So this is one of our upgrades, which allows you to run a deep audit on any business that you find with our platform. And this is going to tell you all the issues that they have with their accessibility, with their SEO, with any technical errors that they have, with their performance, which means how fast and how responsive their website is, the design, the professionalism and trust, all the issues that they have, and obviously their SEO issues. And it really puts them under a microscope and identifies all the issues that they have. And you can always come here and generate a report for that business and include which of the issues you want to have show up in the report, okay? So this is all up to you depending on which services you want to offer to them. Obviously, you can include them all, or you can include the ones that have the most priority to get fixed, so get them more business, okay? And then another option that you have here as well, you can go ahead and target just businesses that have an email address. So if I click apply, you can see here within just a few seconds, I can go ahead and get access to 29 different businesses that I can send an email to offering my services. You can do the same thing with just their physical address. So if I click apply, if you are someone that likes to send out mailers to businesses, you can export all of these addresses and send them a physical mailer in the mail. And then also here you can do the same thing if you are one of the people that like to cold call. You can sort just by phone number and give these people a call and offer them services. You can see this guy here, no social media profiles, and they are running an extremely old WordPress version, okay? All right, so that's how powerful Aigency Valet is. It literally takes you a few seconds to come in here and run a new search. And then once it's done processing, you have access to extremely high quality leads that you can filter through and offer specific services to these businesses. So you will be able to find businesses that have all types of issues. So like you saw, whether they're missing an SSL certificate, whether their website is loading or not, whether they have an unclaimed Google listing, whether they have the click to call option on their website, whether they have social media profiles, all these different critical issues that you can reach out to them to offer their different services. And another thing that you can do as well is once you have all the information that you'd like, you can come here to our outreach option and have our AI also write them an email, write your outreach email for you for your so that you can send them out and offer your services. And you can always choose what problems you want the email to include, what tone you want, the language, the name that you're going to use as a sender, the email that you want them to reach out to, and the phone number, your phone number, so that they can reach out to you once once they're ready to hire you to fix those problems. All right, so very powerful platform here that not only finds leads for you, but it trains itself on those leads. It identifies all the issues that they have, and with one of our upgrade options, like I mentioned, you can go deeper into figuring out every issue that that person has with their online presence. And you can not only start with the basic problems and get these fixed pretty quickly, but then you can offer the deeper issues that our AI identifies for you. And then from there, once you have all the hurdles removed from their online presence, then you can offer your recurring services for ongoing marketing, ongoing SEO services, ongoing traffic services. So this platform allows you to get your foot in the door by offering to fix these simple issues and then fix the deeper issues on the deep analysis, and then get them into recurring services as well. So very, very powerful platform that you get access to at a huge discount right now, with some very powerful bonuses that will only be available during this very special launch. So make sure you go below this video, take advantage of this, and I will look forward to hearing about your success.
I hope you understand how the Aigency Valet does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Aigency Valet at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, let's see the upsells of Aigency Valet. First, there is the Aigency Valet front end. To check all the upsells, check the link in the description. The first upsell is Aigency Valet Plus, promising unlimited lead generation and discounted recurring access. It aims to help businesses scale and gain clients effortlessly, highlighting limited time offers and bonuses. Second upsell is Hyper Search Mode. an upgrade that finds up to 10 times more leads by performing deeper searches, ensuring you never run out of prospects. It's offered with a limited time discount. Third upsell is Deep Auditor, an upgrade enabling comprehensive website audits, performance, SEO accessibility, to identify client problems. This allows users to offer paid solutions, increase profits, and secure long-term clients. Fourth upsell is Rebrander, an upgrade enabling users to create professional, rebranded audit reports for clients. This boosts credibility, showcases issues, and helps convert prospects into paying clients. And then we have the Aigency Valet bundle, an AI automation engine that finds, learns about, and closes clients. It offers lead generation, personalized emails, and bonuses like website templates, hypersearch, auditing, and rebranding tools at a discounted price. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So, are you ready to flood your inbox with high-quality clients and dominate your niche? Aigency Valet makes it happen, identifying critical issues and crafting pitches that convert. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a game changer for your profit. Secure your spot, lock in the launch pricing, and let AI do the client getting for you. The link is right there in the description. Check it now.